Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to TechVibes. Check this out. If you have ever tried to record or stream from an old school PlayStation 3, you probably realized it is a total pain in the neck. It turns out the PS3 has this super annoying thing called hdcp that blocks your capture card from grabbing the signal. Most modern consoles let you just flip a switch to turn that off, but not this one. It is a total gatekeeper. A lot of people try to use an Elgato or other capture cards, and they get hit with a black screen or zero audio. It is a huge bummer when you have a stack of classic games you want to show off. Now, some people try to use special splitters or bypass cables to get around it. Sometimes it works, and sometimes it just fails right in the middle of your session. Even if the video looks great, the game audio might just disappear into thin air. That is exactly what happened to us, and man, it is frustrating. If you are dealing with this, you basically have to find a very specific type of HDMI splitter that strips out that protection signal. Without it, your capture software is basically blind and deaf to the console. It is a game changer once you get it working, but finding the right gear is a real gamble. For now, if you are looking to record retro gameplay, you might want to double-check your setup before you dive in. It is a real no-brainer to test your audio and video for at least 10 minutes before you commit to a long session. We want your content to be super snappy and professional, not a silent movie. Stick with us here at TechVibes for more quick fixes and tech headaches solved fast. It is definitely a challenge, but we are going to figure out some creative solutions to keep the retro vibes alive. Don't let a little bit of old tech encryption ruin your day. All right, peace.